JM Real Guys Reviews. Well, TS finally turned the mic on. We appreciate that. We're here at HK with Angela. We're going to get over and shoot the VP40. Last year we introduced with you the VP9, one of the best triggers out there on the market. And I actually bought that VP9 from HK when they sent it to us. It's one of our favorite guns. So let's get over and shoot that VP40. Jeff is going to tell us about the VP40. Told you last year VP9 came out and they were going to do that. And these guys did. VP9 is one of our guns. It's got the best, easiest to shoot triggers. The VP40 is the same, Jeff.
Yeah, VP40 is designed to the VP9. You still have your adjustable back straps and side plates. It comes with the luminescent sights, just like the VP9 does. We also offer night sights for it. It does have the rear cocking supports. You'll notice when you get a closer look at the gun that the slide is larger. The VP9 was originally designed in 9mm. You had to go up for the 40 caliber, so it does have a larger slide. Still have a little over a 4-inch barrel. Got ambidextrous slide release and takedown lever up here. Nice feature, just like the VP9. You don't have to pull the trigger to disassemble the gun. So when you lock the slide back, you throw the lever, just drop the slide and pull it straight off the pistol. No need to squeeze the trigger or anything like that. Comes with 13-round magazines. We also offer 10s for the states that need it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Shoots like recoil's very manageable. I don't know, got the VP9, I guess I'm going to have to get that VP40 now. Appreciate you watching us here, y'all. See you around Real Guys Reviews.